Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Netflix. If you're seeing the dreaded PS5 error code WS-116449-5, don't panic, I've got you covered. This error usually means the PlayStation Network PSN is under maintenance, but there are a few quick steps you can take to fix it and get back to gaming. Stick around till the end, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. So, what exactly does WS-116449-5 mean? This error pops up when the PlayStation Network service is temporarily unavailable, usually due to scheduled maintenance or server issues. If that's the case, there's not much you can do except wait. However, if there's no official maintenance listed, then the issue might be on your end. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot it. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. The first thing you need to do is go to Settings, then Network, then go to View PlayStation Network Status. Now check if all services are up and running. If you see any issues listed here, it's likely that PlayStation Network is down. In that case, all you can do is wait until the services come back online. However, if everything looks good and you're still facing the error, move on to the next step. Step 2. Restart your network. A simple network restart can sometimes solve connection issues. Here's how. Turn off your router and modem. Wait for at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on and let them fully restart. Now, try connecting your PS5 again to see if the error is gone. If possible, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is often more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. Step 3. Set up internet connection. Go to Settings, then go to Network, go to Set up internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, press the Options button and change the Wi-Fi frequency band to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Which one should you choose? If your Wi-Fi router supports 5 GHz, connect to that. If you have a normal gigahertz network, try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and see which one works best. Play around with these settings and see if it resolves the issue. Step 4. Change DNS settings. If the error still persists, let's change the DNS settings. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Advanced Settings. Change the primary DNS to 8888 or 1111. Change the secondary DNS to 8844 or 1001. These DNS servers, Google 8888 and Cloudflare 1111, are faster and more reliable than your default ISP's DNS. They can improve connection speed and fix network errors. Step 6. Run an internet connection test. After resetting your settings, run a network connection test to make sure everything is working properly. Here's how. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Test Internet Connection. Let the test run and check if your PS5 is properly connected. If your connection is weak, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Step 7. Try again later. If you've done all the steps and still see the error, it's possible that the PlayStation Network is temporarily congested. Try again later and keep checking the PSN status page for updates. Sometimes, waiting a little while is all it takes. And that's it. If this video helped you fix PS5 error code WS-116449-5, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments section, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!